Welcome to HelloCampus University. In this video, we'll teach you how to edit your visitor's registration form. First, let's talk through how visitor registration works. Before prospects can sign up for your tours, you must create an event template. If you haven't already done so, please pause and use this link to learn more. Remember, the purpose of an event template is to produce a unique registration URL that visitors can use to sign up for live virtual tours. When a visitor clicks on this link, they'll be brought to a calendar containing all the tour events that have been created using that event template. They'll select one and be brought to a registration form. As you can see, the default form only asks for a first name, last name, and email. However, this form is a great way to get to know your prospective students. You might want to ask them, what is your phone number, address, anticipated major, and so on. All this information can be used not only for marketing purposes, but also to match tour guides with similar visitors. For instance, if a visitor says they're interested in being a theater major, then you can match them with one of your theater major tour guides. That being said, we'll now teach you how to customize this form. Let's get into it. Back on your event templates page, click on Configuration in the top right and select Edit Registration Form. First, you can customize the default form labels. For example, you may prefer to label this field as surname rather than last name. However, more importantly, you are able to create entirely new fields. To do so, start by clicking here. Now, decide what you'd like the field label to look like for visitors. For example, you might say mobile phone number, address, expected enrollment date, or what is your anticipated major. Then move on to the internal note. Both admins and tour guides will be able to see how visitors fill out their registration form. So this internal note will be what you see as a label rather than what the visitor sees. For example, if the field asks, what is your anticipated major, the corresponding internal note might be anticipated_major. Here, you must write in lowercase only, spaces are not allowed, instead use an underscore to separate words. And keep in mind, numbers are permitted, but please begin by using a letter. Now to find these internal notes, you can select a scheduled event from your dashboard and click Show Details for each visitor. Next, determine the type of answer this field requires. The text and number options allow for a visitor to manually input their answer using letters or numbers, and the select options should be used for multiple choice questions. If you pick Select Single, the visitor can choose only one option in the multiple choice, while for Select Multiple, the visitor can choose more than one option. If you pick one of the select choices, click on the arrow below. In this box, write the multiple choice answers, one per line. Finally, select whether this field should be required or not. Continue this process for as many fields as you'd like, and if necessary, you can adjust the position of each one. Once you've finished customizing your form, hit Save. Now, when visitors click on the registration URL for this event template, they'll be brought to the calendar and then your newly customized form. Congrats! You've learned how to edit the visitor registration form. Follow us into our next tutorial to see how you can customize the visitor notifications and landing pages.